well before the notification of the university elections was out, we have started a movement called as the Open Elections, where we are demanding for every student to have the right to vote for the university council, which is not happening. Right now the process is that only 60 to 80 appointed people have the right to vote for the main university council. Due to this, many problems are happening. For example, kidnapping, students attack jata, bribing of students jata, and continuously issues wadat raula over the years. Women representatives are also being threatened. Students are being threatened. The future of the country is at stake. Because if these students attacks are taking place or bribing is happening at such a low level of Goa University election, then I don't know where we are heading to and what is the future of the country. In the interest of the students of Goa, we are being trying to approach the VC, we are being trying to approach the registrar, we are being trying to approach the governor. Everything is not being possible because they are not even giving an appointment. We have been asking for an appointment with the governor, पूण ते आमकां अपॉइंटमेंटूच दिवपाक रेडी जायना. हितून प्रॉपरली कळटा की VC जो आसा, VC न्हिदला, रजिस्ट्रार न्हिदला, गव्हर्नर न्हिदला इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ द भारतीय जनता पार्टी. बिकॉज दे नो की समज ओपन इलेक्शन जालें आनी एवरी स्टुडंटाक रायट मेळ्ळें वोटींग करपाचें जाल्यार दे वील लूज. दॅट इज वाय दे आर नॉट कीपिंग अ डेमोक्रेटीक सेटअप. डेमोक्रेसीच ना. In Goa University, there has been no democracy over the years, and what we are demanding is a simple thing: give every student the right to vote. तुमचे जे अपॉइंटेड पपेट्स आसा तेंकाच वोटिंग रायट आनी ते तुमी तेका इलेक्शन म्हणटा. हे आनी कसलें इलेक्शन?
आता दिल्ली युनिव्हर्सिटीन जे इलेक्शन जालें तितून नरेंद्र मोदीचे
स्वता इन्वॉल्ड
स्वता इन्वॉल्ड आसलो आनी तरी सुद्दां ते हारले. आनी हो भंय एक मनोहर परिवाराक खाता. तेका लागून तेका हांगा ओपन इलेक्शन जाल्लें नाका म्हणून तो
भिता
तेका नाका ह्यो सिस्टम. तेका लागून तो आपल्या स्टुडंट्स बॉडी आहा तेंकाय ते करूंक दिना, तेंकाय ते भुरग्यांकूय करपाचें ना.
आनी सेकंडली BJPचो कोण स्टुडंट सेलाचो तेणें स्टेटमेंट दिलो, ते तुमचे कडेन आसतलो स्टेटमेंट, की इफ ओपन इलेक्शन जालें इट वील बेनिफीट. जो ओपन इलेक्शन्साचो मुवमेंट तेंकां बेनिफीट जातलो जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी येवचें. फक्त प्रेसान उलयता, प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सीस दिता, प्रेस बायट्स दिता की तेंकां बेनिफीट जातलो जाल्यार यो लेट्स हॅव एन ओपन इलेक्शन्स. वी आर चॅलेंजिंग द BJP स्टुडंट सेल टू कम आउट, come to the VC, come to the governor, and let us both come and demand for an open elections where every student will have the right to vote. जर every student right vote aspak जाय जाल्यार they will lose. They know if they think they will still win and it will benefit them, it will benefit the students of Goa, जाल्यार यो आनी support our movement. The CYSS is supporting the movement, the NCP is supporting the movement. Together for University, which has won the university panel, PGSU, even they have given a statement that they are supporting the open elections movement. All these organizations are coming to the VC. That day, as you know, we went to the VC, we went to the registrar. All these organizations came. The Bharatiya Janata Party student cell has given a statement on the same day but has not come to the vice chancellor with us or the registrar with us. Because now kidnapping वाढला, bribing वाढला, आता चड वाढला. तेंका म्हाका खबर ना if Congress was doing it or not doing it. I don't think the Congress ideology believes in bribing and threatening of students. Probably because of that the BJP did not have a right to demand for an open election, because nothing of this sort had been happening. But now it is happening. That is why we are demanding, and it has to happen, and every student has to have the right to vote. It is a democracy in which we are living. We are not having a dictatorship where Manohar Parrikar will decide what the student council will be. There is no organization that is ready to even oppose the open elections. There is not a single statement from anyone that open elections is bad or open elections is. Give statements why it is bad. ते तरी सांगा. If you all are not supporting, then give at least statements. You all are supporting the open elections, then come in the open. Why only press statements? We are ready to boycott the elections this time if open elections is not taking place. I challenge them also to boycott, because if they boycott, then open elections will have to happen. The VC will be pressurized, the governor will be pressurized, the CM of the state will also be pressurized that every student wants open elections. But they are not coming in the open to support. जे UR असता त्यांना UCR अपॉइंट करता. UCR आणि either it is the college president, either it is the college principal that appoints certain people, or it is election. Elections are hardly in few colleges. And secondly, one point has to be noted that in most of the colleges, notice सुद्धा मारना directly. There is appointment by the principal. Inside there is no democratic setup. Notice असपाक जाय न्ही सगळेकडे, भुरग्यांक कळपाक जाय न्ही. But no, in the Lingdo committee, after 5 years, when the college starts, after 5 years, there has to be a democratic setup. There cannot be appointment system. But now, in many colleges, there is only appointment system that is taking place. Decision घेतला की we are boycotting this current type of system which is taking place. We are boycotting it. Secondly, what we are doing is we are filing a PIL in the High Court, because some of the Lingdo committee recommendations are not being followed. That is the another step. And next what we will do, that you will come to know कितें करतले, खंय करतले आणि कितें करतले ते तुका कळटलें.